When it comes to making your home more comfortable, many homeowners focus on the interior, such as furniture and decor. But one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing old or inefficient doors. Doors are not just entryways. They play a key role in regulating your home's temperature, security, noise levels, and overall energy efficiency. In Covington, where the climate can vary from hot summers to cold winters, upgrading your doors can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable your living space feels year-round. Here's how door replacement in Covington can enhance your home's comfort, both in terms of temperature control, privacy, and overall functionality. Improved energy efficiency and temperature control. One of the primary benefits of replacing old doors with new, energy-efficient models is enhanced temperature control. Older doors, especially those made of wood or metal, are prone to drafts, air leaks, and poor insulation. This means that during the winter, warm air escapes, and in the summer, hot air enters, making it difficult for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. By replacing your doors with energy-efficient models, such as those with insulated cores or dual-pane glass, you can significantly improve your home's energy performance. Energy-efficient doors are designed to keep the cold air out during the winter and the hot air out during the summer, ensuring your heating and cooling systems don't have to work overtime. As a result, your home stays at a more consistent temperature, and you'll likely see a reduction in your energy bills. Enhanced home security and safety. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about feeling safe and secure in your home. Older doors, particularly those with outdated locking mechanisms or damaged frames, can compromise your home's security. Weak or ill-fitting doors can make it easier for intruders to break in, leaving your family and belongings vulnerable. Upgrading to modern, high-security doors with advanced locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and durable materials like steel or fiberglass can significantly improve your home's security. New doors can also offer better storm protection, which is particularly important in areas like Covington, where extreme weather can occur. Impact-resistant doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, helping to keep your home safe during severe storms while also maintaining a secure environment year-round. Noise reduction for a quieter home. If you live in a busy area or near a high-traffic street, you may find that unwanted noise can easily infiltrate your home, making it hard to relax, focus, or sleep. Older doors often fail to block out noise effectively, leading to disturbances from the outside. By replacing your doors with soundproof or noise-reducing options, you can create a much quieter and more peaceful living environment. New doors with solid cores or dual-glazed windows can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home from outside. This can be especially beneficial for bedrooms, home offices, or any space where you need peace and quiet to relax or focus. Increased privacy and comfort. Privacy is a significant factor in making your home comfortable. If your doors are old or made of thin materials, they may not provide the level of privacy you desire. In particular, glass doors, such as sliding patio doors, can leave your home vulnerable to prying eyes. When you replace these doors, you can choose options that enhance your privacy without sacrificing natural light. Frosted glass, tinted windows, or even doors with blinds built into the glass allow you to maintain privacy without completely blocking sunlight. This balance between light and privacy can significantly improve your home's comfort, allowing you to enjoy well-lit spaces without feeling exposed. Better functionality and ease of use. Old doors can be difficult to open and close, especially if the frame has warped, the hardware is worn, or the door no longer aligns properly. This can make it frustrating to enter or exit your home and can even lead to energy loss if the door doesn't close properly. Replacing your doors with new models can greatly improve the ease of use and functionality of your entryways. Modern doors are designed to open and close smoothly, creating a more convenient experience. Additionally, doors with weather stripping and tight seals help maintain insulation and prevent drafts, ensuring that your home remains comfortable even when the doors are in use. Aesthetic appeal and a welcoming atmosphere. Aesthetics also play a key role in creating a comfortable home environment. Your front door is the first thing people see when they approach your house, and it sets the tone for the entire property. A worn, outdated door can make even the most beautiful home look neglected and uninviting. Replacing your front door or any exterior doors with modern, stylish designs can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal and create a more welcoming atmosphere. Whether you choose a traditional wooden door, a sleek fiberglass option, or a stylish French door, upgrading your doors enhances the visual appeal of your home and provides a more inviting space for guests and family members alike. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. Old doors may require constant maintenance, such as painting, fixing broken hardware, or sealing drafts. By replacing your doors with high-quality, low-maintenance materials like fiberglass or vinyl, you can significantly reduce the time and money spent on upkeep. These materials are resistant to the elements, don't warp or crack, and require little more than occasional cleaning. This means less hassle for you and a more durable, long-lasting solution that enhances your home's comfort. Conclusion. Door replacement in Covington is an investment that pays off in many ways, from improved energy efficiency and security to increased comfort and curb appeal. By upgrading your doors, you can create a more comfortable, secure, and peaceful living environment for you and your family. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills, enhance your privacy, or simply enjoy a more stylish and functional space, replacing old doors is an effective way to improve your home's overall comfort.